What is going on, you beautiful people? We got a package from TLF. I'm trying to take my address off the package so you don't know where I live. Oh gosh, it's on both sides. I don't think you can see it from here. Anywho, we got some new fall items from their newest collection, so we're gonna try it on. I think I know what to expect, but I don't know. Like I said in the past, we always have the option, and every influencer and content creator is a little bit different in terms of their contract and what items you get, commission, affiliate links, all that stuff. For me, I get to choose the products that I want, but I forget sometimes. But today we have a track jacket, track pants, and socks. We don't have much today. Actually, I think there's one more. There's a fourth item in here, but it doesn't say it on the thingy. I really like these. Look, I've been wearing these Flux shoes. These are the weightlifting shoes. They're flat-footed. I don't have any socks with them. I don't care. You can wear no-show socks, but I like to feel it when it's like I'm barefoot. These are essentially just weightlifting shoes. But it's funny because now we have socks from TLF, which I don't think they ever made socks before. So I'm gonna try these on, and we're gonna continue to go about this. So I love they're as what you would think. This is the large, which now that I am looking at it, it may not even fit me. Let's find out. Oh yeah, it's a shirt. We got a shirt. That was the fourth item. So let's see what this is all about. Let's see if the large will fit me. My foot is 11 and a half, 12. 11 and a half is the shoe I usually wear, but I'm 6 foot. And I think, geez, they go high. They go really high. They're like weightlifting socks. They fit me great. And I will continue to wear them throughout the day. So let's put the other one on. And then it's perfect because we're going to put our track suit on. So I think that's their newest collection is their track pants or the track suits. So I'm excited to put that one on. Yeah, they had like options for small for like women, but this is their unisex socks. I always like to like pinch it down just like that because I don't like it high. I like sitting at the bottom of my calf. But these feel good. These feel good. Oh, I got it mixed up. There is an L in here. I thought that stood for large, but it actually stands for left. So I'm gonna be OCD about it. It says left and right. I thought it stood for large. I saw the L. Okay, we're gonna put that one on the left side. That makes more sense. The logo's on the outside. There's nothing on the inside. So yeah, okay, that makes more sense. They were strategic about it. Oh, you can't. Oh, I didn't even notice that. On the inside of the sock, when you're lifting it up, you can almost, it says take life further. I actually want to show that to you guys because I think that's really interesting. So on the inside of the sock, it says take life further right there on the inside of the sock. I didn't even notice that. So when you're wearing them, which I'm going to do right now, you can point that out and show, well, that doesn't, I mean, if you do this, if you do my style and you have it like that, oh, that's cool. That's cool. Take life further. It's like a little something that not many people would notice. Not many people would probably want to read. I don't know, but I think that's cool. That's a unique thing. We're gonna keep those on and keep going with our items. This is the one that I didn't get to see. I forgot what it was, but this is I think this is a shirt. Oh, that material. Jeez, it is like moisture wicking. This is interesting. This is, I don't know what color this is. Oh gosh, what is that material? I'm a material kind of guy. I always like wearing like 100% whatever quality type of stuff, but with weightlifting clothes, I like a bit of a stretch and always has like spandex or something. Yeah, okay, so this has 85% nylon and 15% spandex, and it gives you the instructions on how to wash it. It says wash inside out with cold water and light colors, do not bleach, blah, blah, blah. This is a medium. Oh, am I a medium? I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure out what this one is called. I'll link everything down in the description below, but I don't know what this one's called. We're just gonna try it on because it seems interesting. Yeah, it's like a sky blue. I don't know what you would. But it is soft. That is some boyfriend material stuff right there. Excuse me while I undress. Everything I'm wearing also is from TLF. This is their flannel jacket, which I love because it's fall time. So you gotta put that on. And this is their 5-inch shorts. I don't usually wear them a lot because I don't usually wear a lot of 5-inch shorts. I usually like 6. 6 is my sweet spot. But this is their mesh shorts. I'll leave everything, even what I'm wearing, down below. Let's try this one out. Oh god. That material, gosh. If it's cold, you're gonna see the nips. I'm not, I don't know if I like that. Okay. It's definitely tight. Oh, I don't know if I'm a medium. I think I'm a large. Like, I know for shirts like this, I mean, it's athletic, it's stretchy. You can definitely see the nips, and it's hot. I'm sweating. I would recommend getting a large, but I get this stuff so you guys can figure out how it fits on you. I'm 6 foot. I'm 187 this morning. Socks fit great, but the shirt, I feel like you would probably want to get a large if you're my size. I don't know my chest and all that measurements. I mean, I do. Just, I don't know on the top of my head. It's stretchy. I don't like when every time I raise my shirt or raise my hands, you can see my stuff. But who knows? It might grow on me. Actually, you know what? For like, because I do Brazilian Jiu Jitsu, this is actually my MMA gym. You really want tight clothes. If it was a little looser, well, it's tight around the arms. Maybe you want that type of look. It's tight around the arms, tight around the chest. It's a bit loose right here. It's just short. If it was a little longer, but who knows? I could be overthinking. You got the logo there. I just don't like when you can see my nips. Yeah, this one's a little interesting. So we're gonna keep this one on and try on the track items. So this is their pants. Okay, all right. I got black. You gotta get black. Ooh. Oh my, this is a medium. Oh, whoa. You gotta love track. Oh, yes, sir. That's my type of stuff. So these are their track pants. You can see a nice design there by the pant legs on the sides. And of course, like usual, track pants always has, ooh, that's unique. It has, what you call it? You can like tighten it at the cuff. But what I love, I wanna get a little close so you can see it. This tightening thing, it has the TLF logo right there, which I love. And we're gonna put this right over my lifting shorts because that's how I would usually go about it. This is like, you know, it's fall time. What if it's leg day and you want a little cover up? And I always like tucking in my shirt. Ooh, ooh. I'm a 32, 30, 33 maybe waist, and this is, like I said, I think a large, did I say? Yeah, no, this is a medium. A lot of their pants, I usually wear mediums, and a lot of their shirts, I go large. Like this one, I went medium. But I usually wear a large, and I still probably would get this in a large. So it fits, like, I know I would probably still need this, even as a medium. Zipper pocket, ooh, the zipper pockets are metal. They're usually plastic. That's interesting. I like that. This is not metal. It's more of like a plasticky that'll probably come off in the wash. A lot of them have. A lot of the logos are like going away. But I want to play with this cuff. I've never. Oh God, this is kind of weird. How do you do this one? I don't know why you would do this. What's the point of a cuff anyway? So it sits better? I probably would never ever use this. I like it loose fitted like that. Let's go on to the jackets. But you have the option to make that a cuff. But I like these track pants. Maybe if you're running, maybe if you want to, I don't know. I like it loose like that. I like it like a wide-legged thing. That's how they're sitting right now. It almost reminds me of their Terry Crew cargo shorts. I did that in a previous video that I'll link somewhere up here so you can see that. Oh, that material is heavy. Oh, I want to see what this thing is made out of too, yeah. Okay, that's why it's heavy. On the inside, it's like a cooling. Hold on, check that out. It's actually kind of heavy. This is some heavy stuff. I don't know what material it is, but I'll show you the inside. This is their outside. Okay, it is 88% nylon. This is the shell. Outside is 88% nylon, 12% spandex. On the insert, it's the lining. It's 91% polyester and 9% spandex. You may not even care, but I do. So this is the inside of it. That's the shell. This is this is what's gonna keep you warm. This is what's gonna keep you warm. This is a large. Yeah, like I said, up top, I like a large. It has the cuff right there. I don't want you guys to lose good quality audio. But yeah, up top is a large, and the bottom track pants are a medium. So I'm gonna do that with the mic. I also like it because it has a metal zipper. And then I'm gonna come close to you guys so you can see it. It's the attention to detail that I like about this. It has the TLF logo as the zipper. And, oh, this fits. Oh, dude, this fits perfectly. This fits perfectly. You have, yeah. Hey, yeah. We are. It wasn't much, but I think I'm gonna be repping out the track suit quite often, as well as I don't know, this athletic shirt might grow on me. Who knows? It's just the material feels a little weird, but I really like the socks as well. That's sick. I like the attention to detail there. But that is that for today's video. If you need any of these products or you find them interesting, I'll leave everything down in the description below. Yeah, like I said, I would rather probably get the shirt in a large, but I get it so you don't have to, and I try it on so you can see what it looks like. But this is their track suit. I believe they come in blue and green. I could be completely wrong about that. All I know is black. Everything goes well with black. And I think this is perfect. Medium up top, sorry, large up top, medium down below. And without further ado, in case no one has told you today, I love you, you matter, you have value. And let me say something I have said before. Listen, fall is here, winter is coming, so you want to get clothes to match that style. I really don't know how I feel. It's pretty loose down here. I'm looking at it now and I'm playing with it. But make sure you are ready for fall and winter time. It is getting cold, so you want to bundle up. Oh, dude, I freaking love this tracksuit. Let me know if you get the tracksuit. I love that. But I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you.